Bailey, and what are you guys going to do?
She's going to play dead.
Play dead, and then come alive, it says here.
Yes.
Play dead and come alive? Okay.
Yes.
Do you need that other devil dog out here to help?
No.
How was it? Were you backstage with that crazy dog? How was...
He was calm
Oh.
until he gets the command.
Yeah, until he gets the command.
Yeah.
Hey. Somebody ought to look into that guy. Okay, Bailey now. Bailey will play dead. What do we need to do here? Anything, Mike?
Nothing.
Okay.
Okay. Bailey, play dead. Play dead.
That was good.
Play dead.
Oh, man. Yeah. There you go. Oh, buddy.
Alive.
He's fine. Okay. That was great. Thank you very much, Bailey. Thank you very much, Mike. Let's take one more look here in the slow motion. Here's Bailey playing dead. And hit the switch. Clunk. Good night, everybody. It's Mike Bauer and Bailey. Thank you very much, Mike. Nice meeting you. Great job.